Litecoin shows potential for a 4.6% move up by July 28, 30 rates reports. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. Today, Litecoin has gone down 0.6% and is now sitting around $46.96. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. The price could move to $49.10 tomorrow per 30 rates, marking a gain of 4.6%. Litecoin is likely to head toward $48.31 per Gov Capital Collector, with an expected increase of 2.9%. According to Traders Union, it could strengthen toward $47.47, an upward move of 1.1%. Another forecast from CoinLore indicates Litecoin could approach $47.14, an expected rise of about 0.4%. And finally, Crypto Predictions highlights a move toward $44.18 by July 28, representing a loss of 5.9%. This stands as the most profitable forecast in today's lineup. We've covered 5 analysts. Let's go forward. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decline of 5.9% and an increase of 4.6%, depending on the analyst. In short, Crypto Predictions comes out ahead with 5.9% surge in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $4 and $59 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 79.7% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. Consensus points to Litecoin trading near $47.24. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus scenario points to a 0.6% price increase under the current outlook. From that angle, your capital could also grow by the same 0.6%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $6 under this forecast. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 78%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. 30 rates highlights an upward outlook for Litecoin. According to Gov Capital Collector, the price path is also set to rise. For this short horizon, Traders Union describes the market as flat, with little scope for variation. Likewise, CoinLore notes that Litecoin may continue to trade sideways, suggesting investors should not expect big moves during this horizon. Crypto Predictions signals a short-term move lower. All forecasts together show Litecoin on a bullish short-term path. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Litecoin will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $47.84. With the way the market closed, only 2 got the direction right. The most precise forecast belonged to CoinCodex. Now we'll arrange the details clearly. All 5 forecasts were outside the candle's limits. Speaking of ROI, some forecasts ended with gains, and CoinCodex had the strongest result. Here's the overall results table, showing how each forecast held up. For CoinPrice forecast probability is 82.7%, accuracy $1.83, and ROI 4.1%. Try to find which forecast actually matched how the market moved. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for Litecoin compared with other assets. At 4th place is Litecoin, with Fetch currently leading the forecasted profitability at 5%. At this stage, Litecoin is compared with only 4 cryptocurrencies, but the extended view with many more is already available on my website. If you liked how I reviewed different analysts together, hit like and subscribe to follow the next comparison. Bye for now.